Hello, my students. Today we are going to learn new words. But before, look at the following pictures to describe them and indicate the main idea of the lesson. Well, we have easy but important objectives for today, as we are going to describe 4 pictures and then identify the meaning of new words. Let's get started. Look at this picture. What do you see? A boy or a student is looking at his assignments. Maybe he has many things to do and he is thinking, which homework should I solve first? He is confused. This is called an internal conflict. As we explained before, a conflict is a struggle or a problem. Let's look at the second picture. The 2 girls look angry. I think they are fighting. This situation is called an external conflict because the cause of the conflict is not in the character's mind or feeling. It's from outside force. Maybe they are fighting or arguing because each one has a different perspective or idea. Well, let's discuss the third picture. Look at the boy. There are 3 boys who are against this boy. That means a group versus 1 boy. This is also one type or another type of external conflict. Maybe this boy has a different idea or perspective or opinion that is different from the others. Finally, let's discuss the 4th one. I think that this picture shows a war between 2 nations. The war is one of the natural aspects in life, so this is also another type of external conflicts. To sum up, our lesson deals with the types of conflicts. It discusses and explains each type apart. So now we will learn the new vocabs that we will find in the target lesson. The vocabs are experience, involved, internal, deal with, occur. Well, let's move on and read some sentences to help us identify the meaning or the synonym of the target words. The first one, experience. You have to know that this word might come as a verb or as a noun in this sentence. Here it is a verb. Last year, my brother had a chance to experience life at sea. Can you figure out its meaning? To experience life at sea means that he was able to live at sea and to try that life there. So he was able to live a situation or an event. That's it. Let's move to the second word, internal. Example, heart, kidneys, and stomach are internal organs, but eyes, fingers, and mouth are external body organs. Can you figure out its meaning? Internal. I think you have noticed that internal is the antonym of external. Internal means inside, but external means outside. Thus, internal organs are the organs that are inside us, inside our body. Let's identify another word, involved. Involved is a word that might come in the sentence as a verb or as an adjective. Okay? Read the example. My best friend is one of the involved people in that fight. The word here is an adjective because it described the noun people, and it means that my best friend is included or he participated in that fight. So he is one of that group. Well, the word involved means to be included in something. And now, deal with. Do you know how to deal with this problem? What does this word mean? It means, do you know how to handle or treat this problem? So deal with is a verb and it means to handle or treat something or someone. And finally, the last word, occur. The fire accident occurred on 14 January. That means the fire accident happened or took place on 14 January. Occur is a verb. Well, let's revise. Experience is to live a situation or an event. Internal means inside. External means outside. Involved means to take a part in something, to participate, to be included in something. Deal with is to handle or treat someone or something. And finally, occur means happen. Congrats! You've got your homework. You have to copy the vocabs and their meanings on your vocab notebook and use the words in your own sentences. I'll be waiting for you to impress me. Goodbye.